Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today marks 5 months of me owning this beautiful motorcycle. Absolutely been a fun trip, traveling around and taking this motorcycle from places to places. I've got plenty of compliments on how the motorcycle looks, from the color to people asking me how the ride is, and questions after questions. One of the things I was very much curious about before I bought the motorcycle was how far will this GoldWing take me on a single tank. And I did go online and there were different answers and different things, but I thought, hey, you know what, I decided something before I bought the bike, that from the day one I'm going to start monitoring and seeing how far this motorcycle takes me on different modes. Let it be the economy mode or the touring mode. The sports mode is a totally different thing, and I won't even go into comparing that. But today's video, took me about 5 months in the making. For 5 months, I've been monitoring, the gas tank, the mileage, and everything. And I've come up to a sort of, how far can this motorcycle take me? Now, it could possibly take you much further than what I'm telling you, or even possibly you could get better mileage. It depends on the way you ride and, your road conditions as well, probably even different elevations. But for me, what I'll be telling you is how far this motorcycle took me. And for you, this will just be a reference. So feel free to write in the comments below if this motorcycle, or the GoldWing in particular, took you further than what I will be telling you today. So let's get started. To all the existing subscribers as well, for all your support. The channel's growing, thank you very much. To all the newcomers, YouTube shows me that about 89% of you watching my videos are not subscribed, so please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. This will probably be one of my last review videos before the weather completely changes here. The weather is already changing, and it's about 16 degrees right now, very windy, about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So hopefully, I'm assuming I might get few days to ride, but if not, my next review will be once the season opens up, which will be in 2021. And if I do get to ride, then my next review will be for the 6 months riding review, which will be coming up next month, weather permitting. Now the other thing is, before I start, is I want to tell you that I started up by filling up with the basic 87 grade gas, and that's what the requirement is. And then now I'm filling up the Shell V-Power 91 grade, I guess that's the grade of the gas that I'm filling up now. And did it make any difference? No, it didn't. Do I feel better filling up the Shell 91? Yes, I do, and that's the reason I'm filling up. I'm paying per tank about 5 or 6 Canadian dollars more, but it's my satisfaction. I'm just feeling, it's burning better, no ethanol, and that's the reason for me going for the Shell V-Power 91 grade. But what's recommended is 87, go with that. It won't make a difference. I did fill up. I read online that some people said you probably get a little bit better mileage. Honestly, I've been filling up for the last maybe 4 tanks, I would say, or 5 tanks, or maybe even more. And I didn't feel any difference at all. So anyone looking to fill up a premium grade gas in your GoldWing, thinking to get better mileage, I'm sorry, if this disappoints you, you don't get that. But if you're filling up from the point that you would like to, to fill up something with no ethanol for whatever reasons we have, because since I'm filling it up now as well and it satisfies us, then by all means go ahead and fill up 91, but the standard recommended is 87 by Honda, and I'm sure they have done the testing, and that's the reason they're recommending it. It's good for you. You don't need to change it or go any other way. So I've got about 4,000 kilometers on this GoldWing since I purchased. Now, on an average, I have seen that every tank that I fill up, I get between 350 kilometers to 400 kilometers on a full tank, which if you put it in miles, it's about 218 miles to 250 miles in total. I've honestly never got anything over that. And if you look at the average on the Honda motorcycle website as well, that itself tells us that you get about, it's a 5.5 gallon tank, which is 21 liters, and you will get about 5.1 liters per 100 kilometers. In my testing, I found that I'm probably getting almost similar to this. Now, I did drive in the economy mode as well for I would say, I think for about two or three tanks, and honestly it's very boring to ride the GoldWing on the economy mode, but I did that just to test and see that I might get some better results. But in my testing, I found out that on the economy mode I get 51 miles per gallon, which is 4.6 liters per 100 kilometers, and that is what I get in the economy mode. But my average at the end of the day turns out to be the same. When I'm filling up my gas tank, it's always after, somewhere between 350 to 400 kilometers, which is 218 miles to 250 miles. That has always been my average. I mean, regardless, when I'm riding in economy mode, it does show me that, yes, I will probably be exceeding that 200 miles tank limit. So I'll probably be getting 260 miles or 265 miles on the full tank. But towards the end, I guess it balances out, and I'm getting about the same. I've seen on the touring mode though, I get 46 miles per gallon, which is 5.1 liter per 100 kilometers, and a little bit less, but like I said, it averages out on the same. So this video, the purpose of this video could be very boring for many of you watching and saying, hey Amir, you know what, we bought this GoldWing to ride, who cares what we are doing? Well, I agree with you. I bought this for this, but this video is meant to be for all the curious riders out there, who want to know before purchasing a GoldWing that how far will this take them. So this video will hopefully help them making a better decision, or planning better ahead on how far they can reach on a full tank on the 2018 plus GoldWing. Thank you again for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel, so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.